30 most surreal places in Africa. Africa is a very beautiful continent. Contrary to the negative narrative of most Western medias, the continent has some of the most surreal places on Earth. From north to south, east to west. Boy oh boy, Africa has it all. Beautiful beaches, mountains, lakes, sand dunes, wildlife, and the list goes on. In this video, we have compiled a list of the 30 most surreal destinations in Africa you might want to visit before you die. Some of these places will leave you in awe, while some will keep you wondering and thinking. Before we dive in, if this is your first time on the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our uploads. So without any further delay, let's dive in. 30. Stone Forest, Madagascar. The Stone Forest, also known as the Tsingy de Bemaraha Strict Nature Reserve, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the western part of Madagascar. It consists of a unique landscape of limestone formations that have been eroded over thousands of years, creating a stunning network of jagged peaks, canyons, and gorges. The area is home to a rich diversity of plant and animal life, including lemurs, reptiles, and birds. The Stone Forest is a popular destination for adventurous travelers and nature enthusiasts. Visitors can explore the network of trails and bridges that wind through the limestone formations, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The area is also popular with rock climbers, who come to tackle the challenging terrain and test their skills on the jagged peaks and cliffs. 29. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Lake Natron is a salt and alkaline lake located in northern Tanzania, near the Kenyan border. The lake is known for its bright red color, caused by the presence of salt-loving microorganisms known as halophiles. The lake is also known for its high alkalinity, which can reach a pH of over 12, making it one of the most alkaline lakes in the world. Despite its harsh conditions, Lake Natron is home to a number of unique species of animals, including flamingos, which are attracted to the lake's rich supply of algae and other food sources. The lake is also an important breeding ground for lesser flamingos, which are one of the world's smallest and most numerous species of flamingo. 28. Mount Niragongo, DRC. Mount Niragongo is an active stratovolcano located in the Virunga Mountains in the eastern part of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It is one of the world's most active and dangerous volcanoes, known for its frequent eruptions and the fast-moving lava flows that can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. The volcano has a large crater that contains a lava lake, which is one of the largest and most active in the world. The lake is approximately 1.2 miles wide and can reach depths of up to 1,300 feet. The lava in the lake is composed of a unique type of basaltic rock that is rich in sodium and potassium. Despite its dangerous nature, Mount Niragongo is a popular destination for tourists and hikers due to its unique geological features and stunning views of the surrounding landscape. 27. Seychelles. Seychelles is an archipelago of 115 islands in the Indian Ocean off the coast of East Africa. It's home to numerous beaches, coral reefs, nature reserves, and rare animals such as giant Aldabra tortoises. Maasai, a hub for visiting the other islands, is home to the capital city Victoria. It also has Seychelles National Park mountain rainforests and beaches, including Beau Vallon and Anse Takamaka. Seychelles' stunning topography of coral reefs, drop-offs, wrecks, canyons, and rich marine life makes it one of the best diving sites worldwide. Perfect for diving year-round, the destination has dive sites for both beginners and experienced divers. The country also has some of the best beaches in the world. 26. Zanzibar. Zanzibar is a great destination for tourists. Located off the coast of Tanzania, Zanzibar is known for its beautiful white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and rich cultural heritage. The island is home to a diverse population of people, including Arabs, Indians, and Africans, which has resulted in a unique blend of cultures, architecture, and cuisine. Zanzibar is a popular destination for beach lovers, as it offers a wide range of beach activities such as snorkeling, scuba diving, and swimming. The island also has several historical and cultural attractions, such as the Stone Town, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the Palace Museum, which was once the residence of the Sultans of Zanzibar. 25. The Maasai Mara National Reserve, Kenya. The Maasai Mara National Reserve is a wildlife reserve located in southwestern Kenya. It is named after the Maasai people who inhabit the area and the Mara River that flows through it. The reserve covers an area of approximately 580 square miles and is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including the Big Five: lions, elephants, leopards, buffalo, and rhinoceros. The Maasai Mara is best known for its annual wildebeest migration, which takes place between July and October each year. During this time, over 1 million wildebeest, along with zebras and gazelles, migrate from the Serengeti in Tanzania to the Maasai Mara in search of food and water. This migration is one of the greatest natural spectacles on Earth and attracts thousands of visitors to the reserve. 24. Table Mountain, South Africa. Table Mountain is a flat-topped mountain that overlooks the city of Cape Town in South Africa. It is one of the most iconic landmarks in South Africa and a popular tourist attraction, attracting millions of visitors every year. The mountain is approximately 3,558 feet high and is made up of sandstone and granite. It is located within the Table Mountain National Park, which is a protected area that covers over 85 square miles of land and is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. Visitors to Table Mountain can hike or take a cable car to the summit, where they can enjoy panoramic views of Cape Town, the Atlantic Ocean, and the surrounding landscape. The mountain is also a popular spot for rock climbing, bird watching, and nature walks. 23. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro is a dormant volcano in Tanzania. It has 3 volcanic cones: Kaibo, Mwenzi, and Shira. It is the highest mountain in Africa and the highest single freestanding mountain above sea level in the world, 5,895 meters above sea level and about 4,900 meters above its plateau base. Fun fact: nearly every climber who has summited Uhuru Peak, the highest summit on Kibo's crater rim, has recorded their thoughts about the accomplishment in a book stored in a wooden box at the top. 22. The Underwater Waterfall, Mauritius. The underwater waterfall appears to be a cascading waterfall, with water appearing to flow downward into an abyss. However, the waterfall is actually a sandbank that is located at the edge of the continental shelf. The sandbank creates a sharp drop in the ocean floor, which creates the illusion of a waterfall. The effect is further enhanced by the movement of sand and silt, which are carried by ocean currents and give the water a cloudy, misty appearance. The contrast between the clear blue water and the white sand creates a stunning visual effect that has made the underwater waterfall a popular tourist attraction. 21. Avenue des Baobab, Madagascar. The Avenue des Baobab is a stretch of dirt road located in the Menab region of western Madagascar. The road is lined by a row of towering baobab trees on either side, creating a stunning and unique landscape that has become a popular tourist attraction. The baobab trees found on the Avenue des Baobabs are Adansonia grandidierri, a species of baobab that is endemic to Madagascar. These trees can grow up to 30 meters tall and 11 meters in diameter, and are known for their distinctive bottle-shaped trunks and thick, gnarled branches. The Avenue des Baobabs is one of the most famous and iconic sites in Madagascar, attracting thousands of visitors each year. The site has been designated a protected area in order to preserve the unique ecosystem of the baobab trees and the surrounding landscape. 20. Ngorongoro Crater, Tanzania. Sited in the Great East African Rift Valley in northern Tanzania, the Ngorongoro Conservation Area includes the wondrous Ngorongoro Crater, home to the densest concentration of wild animals in Africa. Within 260 square kilometers, 100 square miles, of varied microclimates, over 30,000 mammals, half of them wildebeests, and well-rounded zebras, together with their many predators, lions, cheetahs, leopards, jackals, and hyenas, with a vast cast of smaller mammals and birds, form a compelling site for tourist attraction in Tanzania. 19. Cape of Good Hope, South Africa. The Cape of Good Hope is a rocky headland on the Atlantic coast of the Cape Peninsula in South Africa. A common misconception is that the Cape of Good Hope is the southern tip of Africa, based on the misbelief that the Cape was the dividing point between the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. The Cape is a beautiful spot with unpredictable weather, baboons that will try to raid your car, and cute penguins playing in the ocean. The Cape of Good Hope is the legendary home of the Flying Dutchman. 18. The Dra Valley, Morocco. The Dra Valley is a 100-kilometer-long stretch of date palms between Ouarzazate and Zagora in southern Morocco. It is a region offering fantastic opportunities to explore Marrakech and impressive views of the Mauve Atlas Mountains, with the Oud Dra River, the longest in Morocco, disappearing gradually while you move downstream from the Atlas Mountains, and where dozens of kasbahs, fortified cities, can be spotted along the river. 17. The Tadrat Akakus, Libya. The Akakus Mountains, also known as Tadrat Akakus, form a mountain range in the desert of the Gat district in western Libya, part of the Sahara. They are situated east of Gat, Libya, and stretch north from the border with Algeria. The area has a vibrant array of prehistoric rock art. Rock art sites of Tadrat Akakus is a World Heritage Site, well known for many things, including thousands of prehistoric cave paintings dating from 12,000 BC to 100 AD, and its alien-like, jagged landscape of bizarre basalt monoliths, towering granite mountains. The highest point is 1,506 meters, continuous wadis, and mushroom-shaped rock formations. 16. The Simeon Mountains, Ethiopia. The Simeon Mountains, in northern Ethiopia, northeast of Gondar in the Amhara region, are part of the Ethiopian highlands. They are a World Heritage Site and include the Simeon Mountains National Park. These mountains consist of plateaus, separated by valleys and rising to pinnacles. The park is of global significance for biodiversity conservation because it is home to globally threatened species, including the iconic Wolia ibex, a wild mountain goat found nowhere else in the world, the Gelada baboon, and the Ethiopian wolf. Jaw-dropping views, wall-to-wall sunshine, generous hospitality, and rare wildlife make for an unforgettable trek in the Simeon Mountains. 15. The Fish River Canyon, Namibia. The Fish River Canyon is located in the south of Namibia. It features a gigantic ravine, about 160 kilometers long, up to 27 kilometers wide, and in places almost 550 meters deep. The canyon is famous because it is the largest canyon in Africa and Namibia's second most visited tourist attraction. Attractions in the canyon include spectacular views from the main viewpoint near Hoba's Rest Camp and other spots along the rim. The Eyes Hot Springs, a soothing soak in the mineral springs, conveniently located at the end of the 5-day hiking trail. 14. The Dalo Hot Springs, Ethiopia. Dalo is a terrestrial hydrothermal system around a cinder cone volcano in the Danakil Depression, northeast of the Erta Range in Ethiopia. It is known for its unearthly colors, mineral patterns, and the acidic fluids that discharge from its hydrothermal springs. While exploring Dalo, you are standing over an underground volcano. The heat from its magma causes groundwater to rise, carrying elements like sulfur and iron from deep in the earth to the surface. They mix with salt from the dried seas, and the desert sun bakes them into colorful crystals. 13. The Bahariya Oasis, Egypt. Bahariya Oasis is a depression and a naturally rich oasis in the western desert of Egypt. It is approximately 370 kilometers away from Cairo. The roughly oval valley extends from northeast to southwest, has a length of 94 kilometers, a maximum width of 42 kilometers, and covers an area of about 2,000 km². The Bahariya Oasis was made famous in 1996 when a vast burial site was discovered, containing around 250 mummies dating back to various historical periods. 12. The Mountain Gorilla Habitat, Rwanda, Uganda DRC. Mountain gorillas live in East Central Africa in just 2 isolated groups, one in the Virunga volcanoes, a region spanning 3 national parks in Uganda, Rwanda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, and one in Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, Uganda, which connects to Surreal Nature Reserve DRC. They're found in high-altitude montane and bamboo forests, surrounded by agriculture and settlements. Despite years of civil unrest in the region where mountain gorillas live, conservation efforts have found success. 11. The Virunga National Park, Democratic Republic of Congo. Virunga National Park is Africa's most biodiverse protected area, home to over 1,000 species of mammal, bird, reptile, and amphibian, as well as a third of the world's endangered mountain gorillas. Located on the eastern edge of the Congo Basin, the world's second-largest tropical rainforest, Virunga has become known as the Park of Fire and Ice for its diverse habitats ranging from the Rwenzori peaks to savanna and volcanic plains. 10. The Saucesley Dunes, Namibia. Dune 45 is a star dune in the Saucesley area of the Namib Desert in Namibia. Its name comes from the fact that it is at the 45th kilometer of the road that connects the Sestrian Gate and Saucesley. The Saucesley area in southern Namib is known for its high dunes of vivid pink to orange color, and the oldest dunes are those of more deep reddish color. The dunes in the area are among the highest in the world. 9. The Danakil Desert, Ethiopia. The Danakil Desert is a desert in northeast Ethiopia, southern Eritrea, and northwestern Djibouti. Situated in the Afar Triangle, it stretches across 136,956 square kilometers of arid terrain. It is inhabited by a few Afar who engage in salt mining. The area is known for its volcanoes and extreme heat, with daytime temperatures surpassing 50 degrees Celsius. Less than 25 millimeters of rainfall occurs each year. The Danakil Desert is one of the lowest and hottest places on Earth. 8. The Atlas Mountains, Morocco. The Atlas Mountains extend some 2,500 kilometers across northwestern Africa, spanning Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia, separating the Atlantic and Mediterranean coastline from the Sahara Desert. A series of ranges with diverse terrain, climates, and wildlife. The Atlas is dotted with Berber villages and riven with canyons and ravines. The highest peak is 4,167 meters Tupkal, which lies within Morocco's Tupkal National Park. 7. The Blyde River Canyon, South Africa. The Blyde River Canyon is 26 kilometers long in Mpumalanga, South Africa. It is one of the more enormous canyons on Earth, but much smaller than those of Asia, the Grand Canyon, and the Fish River Canyon. The canyon is the largest green canyon due to its lush subtropical foliage, with the deepest precipitous cliffs of any canyon on the planet. The canyon is named for the river that runs through it, the Blyde River, now called the Matlats River. Blyde means glad or happy in Old Dutch, a name derived from a Voortrekkers expedition. 6. The Tasselinager National Park, Algeria. Tasselinager is a national park in the Sahara Desert, located on a vast plateau in southeastern Algeria. The rock art of Tasselinager is the most eloquent expression of relationships between humans and the environment, with more than 15,000 drawings and engravings testifying to climate changes, wildlife migrations, and the evolution of humankind on the edge of the Sahara. 5. The Victoria Falls, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls is a waterfall on the Zambezi River in southern Africa, which provides a habitat for several unique species of plants and animals. It is located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe and is one of the world's largest waterfalls, with a width of 1,708 meters. It is the world's greatest sheet of falling water and is significant worldwide for its exceptional geological and geomorphological features. 4. The Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. The Serengeti ecosystem is a geographical region in Africa spanning northern Tanzania. The protected area within the region includes approximately 30,000 square kilometers of land, including the Serengeti National Park and several game reserves. Serengeti National Park is a World Heritage Site teeming with wildlife. Over 2 million ungulates, 4,000 lions, 1,000 leopards, 550 cheetahs, and some 500 bird species inhabit an area close to 15,000 square kilometers in size. 3. The Okavango Delta, Botswana. The Okavango Delta is a vast inland river delta in northern Botswana. It's known for its sprawling grassy plains, which flood seasonally, becoming a lush animal habitat. The Moremi Game Reserve occupies the east and central areas of the region. Here, Dugut canoes navigate past hippos, elephants, and crocodiles. Wildlife includes lions, leopards, giraffes, and rhinos on dry land. 2. The Eye of Africa, Mauritania. The Eye of Africa, also known as the Richet Structure, is a natural geological formation located in the Sahara Desert in Mauritania, West Africa. It is a circular structure that measures approximately 50 kilometers in diameter and is visible from space. The Eye of Africa was formed over millions of years through a combination of erosion and geological uplift. The circular shape of the structure is due to the concentric rings of rock that make up its layers. The central part of the Eye of Africa is a dome-shaped feature that rises several hundred meters above the surrounding plain. The Eye of Africa is an important site for geological research, as it provides a unique window into the geological history of the region. The layers of rock in the structure contain evidence of ancient geological processes and environmental changes, including the movement of tectonic plates and the shifting of desert sands. 1. Pink Lake, Senegal. Lac Rose or Pink Lake lies north of the Cap Vert Peninsula of Senegal, some 30 kilometers northeast of Dakar's capital in northwest Africa. It is named for its pink waters caused by Dunaliella salina algae and is known for its high salt content, up to 40% in some areas. The Dunaliella salina bacteria, which gives the lake its distinct color, is entirely harmless to humans, and swimming in the lake is possible. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. Please subscribe to the channel if you liked it.